Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft with Xbox Game Pass. So let's get started. To play Minecraft on Xbox Game Pass, all you need is an Xbox Series S or X or an Xbox One or PC. Simply log into your Xbox Game Pass account and you will find Minecraft available to play. Alright. So for PC games, Minecraft is available with PC Game Pass or Xbox Game Pass. Alright. So make sure to download the app and purchase a Game Pass. Then click here to join the Game Pass. Then check the pricing and click here. For PC, you can get it for 11.9 and almost $12 a month. And for the ultimate version, it is $20 a month. And for console it's the core version is 10, standard is 15, and ultimate is 20. And if you want both, just get the ultimate version. You can play it on both PC and laptop, and Minecraft is available with Game Pass. So that's all there is to it. You can also get find some awesome bundles with Minecraft. Let me quickly this one here. So this is their bundle offer, like the Minecraft Deluxe Collection and the Minecraft Triple Bundle, available at discounted price for Xbox Game Pass members. These bundles include Minecoins, maps, skins, and more. Plus, with the unified launcher, you can easily switch between Java and Bedrock editions of Minecraft and even cross-play with friends on different platforms. That's it. Get started today with Minecraft and Xbox Game Pass. Enjoy exploring and building your world.